Okay, so in this video, I chose the level 1 problem of f of x equals x squared minus 4. Here is my graph of the function, and then I'm going to tell you about all the different parts of the graph. So for my first part, I put that the domain was equal to negative infinity to positive infinity, while the range was equal from negative 4 to infinity. Because you can see that it's equal to negative 4, and then it goes up to positive infinity. For the x-intercepts, you can see from the graph that the graph touches the x-axis at 2 and negative 2. And then you can see that the y-intercept touches the graph at positive 4. For intervals of increase and decrease, this one has an interval of increase from negative infinity to positive infinity. And it also has an interval of decrease from negative infinity to positive infinity. Since it has one of each, I just put that it increases and decreases from negative infinity to positive infinity. For my relative minimum, that's the point right here at the bottom. That's at 0, negative 4. For my relative maximum, there's not one because it just keeps going up forever. And then for symmetry, I wrote that this graph is symmetric because you can look at it and tell that if you folded it at the y-axis, that it would be symmetric about the y-axis, which means that it would be even. And then for the last part of my graph, in behavior, I wrote that, and you can see over here that this end of the graph is saying as x approaches positive infinity, y approaches positive infinity, because it's headed toward the first quadrant. And then for this end of the graph, as x approaches negative infinity, y approaches positive infinity. Okay, so that's it for my function.